Now we are here to take the ticket to Sanu. Sorry, now we are in Sanu. Now we are getting the tickets to Penida Island, Nusa Penida. So they're checking the visa.
Nusa Penida, 2 people.
Yes.
2 people. One way 200,000. Go and pay 200.
We have taken the ticket. Now we are moving for the boat. Boat is 9 a.m.
Mohon perhatian bagi para penumpang yang sudah membeli tiket tujuan Nusa Penida yang mempunyai tiket Angel Belabong, silakan naik ke speedboat Angel Belabong. Boat ada di depan tempat penjualan tiket. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello.
The speedboat Angel Belabong will be leaving shortly from Sanu to Nusa Penida. Please give the porter if you have any heavy luggage.
We are going to Nusa Penida.
I told them.
Mohammed, your boat
And then
is
is the boat.
ready.
You have to
Thank
take
you.
ticket and then come to boat.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Now we are got on board. We are in the top of the cruiser. Finally, we got the top.
Dan terbaik.
Now we are going to the Penida Island by a bike. It's a bit expensive. Like they will ask 100, so you could ask from them for 50, then they will give it to you at least 60. So that's the way. Do not give all what they ask. Just bargain. That's our advice.
Now we are at Kelingking Beach. We are in Nusa Penida. towers up there and all the way down to here.
Now we are at the beach. It took us like 40 minutes
Nusa to here.
from Kelingking Beach to here, and we need to go to Angel Billabong to get our boat, and it's also 1 hour ride. So we are going to quickly go to Kuta Beach and have a bath. So, today is the last day of our Bali tour, and now we are going to check out from Ganma's hotel and go to airport. Flight is at around 1:30. So it's time to say goodbye to Bali.
So we are leaving and say thank you. Hi, bye. So this is Grandma's hotel. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye bye Bali.